Alright, well, I haven't made a video in a while. Making some progress. I started working on the outside, the body, because when I took the battery out, all that was all rusted out and everything, so I did that. But here's what's really making me do this video. I got the outer fender off, and it's just laying here, and I got, look at that, I thought something was growing up in there. You know, some kind of thing. But then I look real close, and those are teeth. There was an animal crawled up in this car, and obviously it died there. So my cat's probably about ready to die. Just kidding. So anyway, I just thought that was just really kind of funny. Anyway, we're still working on it. Slowly but surely, we'll get there.